In a world of unequals, we are surrounded by so many opportunities, and yet we still have the potential for experiencing loss as a result of risking and managing that risk. So here at Kingdom Presentations, we represent a team of researchers who actually endeavour to analyse the markets and find you the best value propositions going forward. Needless to say, we can't and sometimes are not able to protect when it comes to downside risk. And so just moving forward with regards to that, we have found products in the past that are being built out in this space for digital finance. And so one of those products is Shield Finance, which today we want to share with you the progress on the roadmap that has been rolled out after its initial launch and its raising of $780 million in capital to be able to build this very necessary insurance aggregation finance downside protection for the risk investor. Now we see here I reported about the Shield Finance multi-chain DeFi insurance aggregator, which is manned up by Polkadot, Ethereum, Solana, and Binance Smart Chain. It's been incubated by Fulfil, and so just moving right along with regards to that. The reason why this has come into play is because there are problems that exist in this space of opportunity when it comes to cryptocurrency. There's many various hacks and scams and sell-offs that happen, and they inflict huge losses on the investors that are engaged in these type of portfolio structures. The solutions, of course, is the use of Shield Finance to buy protection against these various black swan events. And they use aggregation engines to reduce slippage and also coverage with regards to this kind of insurance. So there's market crashes, hacks, exploits, rug pulls, and even SEC investigations that happen, causing the downside for those investors that are invested for the upside potential. So the solution is use of Shield Finance. Buy insurance against these market crashes, choose specific threats that you want to be protected from, and save on fees and slippage with the aggregation engines that are baked into the back end of these systems. So this is here the Shield Finance and how it works. The investors open Shield Finance application. Number two, the investor sets protection parameters with regards to the asset and the amount of protection they require. Number three, Shield searches among available insurances that are provided with regards to options and liquidity pools. And of course, number four, Shield displays packages of those protections that are being tailored for those investors' needs. The investor in number five chooses a package, and number six, investor buys a package via the online transaction process. Technology that is utilized is the blockchains such as Polkadot, Ethereum, the Binance Smart Chain, and also Solana. The languages, of course, are written in the code of Solidity and Rust. The frameworks are Open Zeppelin, which is Solidity, Hardhat, which is Solidity, and the Anchor framework, which is Rust. And the extras are automated tests, code reviews, and security. Now, they have a roadmap which started in Q1, and we're presently sitting at Q2, which is the testnet launch, the tutorials for end users, the TGE public sale, and the integrations with Nexus Mutual, which is an insurance provider, and also Cover Protocol, yet another insurance provider. Now in Q3 of 2021, there will be a mainnet launch that will take place with regards to their security audits, their integrations with Binance Smart Chain, and these different various insurance providers. Q4, of course, touts the integration with Polkadot insurance providers, and then also partnerships with decentralized exchanges. And then, of course, there'll be upgrades and improvements to the user interface. So the testnet launch, they'll search for protection packages based on token amounts and threats, and then buy protection packages. So they're going to build the basic app user interface. And then, of course, the integration with these insurance providers will be the Nexus Mutual insurance provider and Cover Protocol insurance provider. But with the mainnet launch built and complete the app of the user interface and make changes based on users' feedback. And then they'll add more search parameters and functionality. going forward. That'll be the upgrades and the user interface upgrades that they will do. So that pretty much wraps it up all with regards to what's happening with the Shield Finance progress as it rolls out and it starts to move forward in the direction of being able to provide this well-needed service in the risk management side of things with regards to these type of instruments and assets that we utilize to actually grow our wealth over time. So supporting your journey here at Kingdom Presentations, we're looking to implement, adopt, and also place these strategies under side risk class assets that we will engage with regards to growing our wealth. So thank you very much, and God bless, and much love.